Hello and welcome. This is lesson 18 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about the Barhakadi of Th. We know about the 12 vowels of Hindi: A, A, I, E, U, E, I, O, Au, and Aha. And we know about the consonants too, right? We know that we get different sounds when a half consonant gets added to a vowel, and we have been doing that till now. In this video, we will see what sounds we get when we add this half consonant or root consonant to all these vowels. Alright, so let us start with the first sound, which is th. Th. Th, and you get this sound th when you add th to a. Th plus a equal to th. Th plus a equal to th. 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 And as we have studied before, th is basically th plus air from mouth. This is th, th, th. This is th, 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 th. All right. Let us see how to write th, the first sound. Okay. The next sound is tha. 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 And you get this sound tha when you add th to a. Th plus a equal to tha. Th plus a equal to tha. Alright. Let us see how to write tha. Okay. Next is thi. 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 And you get this sound thi when you add th to e. Th plus e equal to thi. Th plus e equal to thi. Thi. And thi is written like this. Once again. Next is thi. 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 And you get this sound thi when you add th to e. Th plus e equal to thi. Th plus e equal to thi. Thi. And thi is written like this. Okay. Next is thu. Thu. Thu, as if you are spitting on someone. Thu. And you get this sound thu when you add th to u. Th plus u equal to thu. Th plus u equal to thu. Thu. And thu is written like this. Okay. Next sound is thu. Thu. And you get this sound thu when you add th to u. Th plus u equal to thu. Th plus u equal to thu. And thu is written like this. Okay. The next sound is the, 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 and you get this sound the when you add th to a. Th plus a equal to the. Th plus a equal to the. The, and the is written like this. Okay. The next sound is thigh, 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 and you get this sound thigh when you add th to I. Th plus I equal to thigh. Th plus I equal to thigh, thigh, and thigh is written like this. Okay. The next sound is tho, 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 and you get the sound tho when you add th to o. Th plus o equal to tho. Th plus o equal to tho, tho, and tho is written like this. Okay. Like this. The next sound is thou, 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 and you get this sound thou when you add th to ow. Th plus ow equal to thou. Th plus ow equal to thou, thou, and thou is written like this. Okay. Yeah. Next sound is thumb, 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 and you get this sound thumb when you add th to Th plus equal to thumb. Th plus equal to thumb, thumb, and thumb is written like this. Okay. The last sound is th, h, th, th, and get this sound th when you add th to aha. Th plus aha equal to th. Th plus aha equal to th. Alright? Th is written like this. Okay. So those are the sounds of th. To recap, th plus a equal to th, th plus a equal to tha, th plus e equal to thi, th plus e equal to thi, th plus u equal to thu, th plus u equal to thu, th plus a equal to the, th plus I equal to thai, th plus o equal to tho, th plus au equal to thou, th plus equal to thum, and finally th plus aha equal to th. Alright, so go ahead and practice writing and pronouncing all the letters and sounds. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.